Hello there, welcome Genesis Models and welcome to another vlog. This vlog is just going to be of a nice little delivery I've had in from Ammo, nice big one for you to just show you guys what sort of to expect over the next couple of months regards to product reviews and all that kind of good stuff. Just to start off with, I have actually got a ton of books to be reading and stuff. I do like to keep myself up to date with all the techniques and all that good stuff to sort of, you know, basically teach you, keep you up to date with all the latest stuff that's going on. To start off with, I always get the weathering magazine from Ammo. I do find these are quite cool to look through and sort of see other people's work and all that stuff as well. I did quite like in this one, this beauty just here. It's a sort of really sort of abandoned, burnt out, rusty tank just here. So really good read, that one is. Then the encyclopedias, if you've ever known Ammo, they do these really cool encyclopedias. I have got from 1 to 3 and now finally got the collection from 4 and 5. Really sort of cool encyclopedia. I've got the armored version now with its nice case there, as you could see, and it just really sort of goes through all the different steps of building armored vehicles or aircraft in that case, and they're really good books to read. But I'll probably just sort of fizz through a load of cool techniques and hopefully sort of, you know, you'll be seeing them sort of come along in any sort of step-by-steps and all that stuff. There is also a nice one of using oils as well. This one looks interesting. I'll be taking a look through that as well. If you do want to get hold of them, I mean, I can't remember now, they may be about £20–25 a book, but they are really good reads. I have also got a whole bunch of stuff down here. We have got from Ammo, we've got this brushes and tools organizer just there, which is shaped like a bullet. Really cool. Pallets are always a good one to have. This one is nice and interesting. It's a little jig, right? I haven't really used one of these, never really sort of thought much of it, but I thought I'd give one of them and try. And basically it's like these clear acrylics, and they sort of build into this jig where you can sort of hold your planes in there. That'll be a product review somewhere down the line. We'll have a closer look at that one. Got another one here. It's an oil brushes organizer, because I do have them just here and they're just lying there, so it'd be nice to have them in a nice little stand for them to go on. What else? Loads and loads of paints. Now we've got these anti-slip things that are just here, which do look quite interesting. I think we could do all sorts of cool sort of techniques with these on tanks and all sorts, but we'll probably have a closer look at them down the line. I do have an absolute ton of this stuff, like acrylic mud and like the acrylic water effects. There's absolutely loads in this box, but basically it's all different sort of like different sort of water effects that you can do for dioramas, mud, concrete. Absolutely loads. It does look quite good value actually, because you do get a really big pot, as you can see. As I say, there's loads down there, because it is something that I am wanting to do. I am wanting to sort of start to move into some dioramas. I've never actually done a proper step-by-step of a diorama, and it's just something I want to sort of really sort of get more competent and teach myself off camera before I sort of actually go on camera and teach you guys, right? Because, you know, I want to know what I'm talking about, so I'm teaching you. And then we just have there's a bag just full of stuff here. I actually forget what I ordered now. There's a load of stuff I ordered. I think there was a bit of a restock, but we've got all sorts. What we've got here, we've got dry soil, all sorts of enamel kind of stuff. What else we got here? Oh, splash effects. Yeah, there's absolutely loads. Turn dirt. Panel line wash, I've already done that one. That's a restock. Heavy mud, looks cool. Some of their new paints as well. I think there's some cool stuff in here. Here's one of them. We've got, what we've got here, we've got liquid mask as well. We're going to try out the Ammo version. Extra thin cement, you know, we're going to try out the Ammo version. That I've actually brought a load of extra thin cements from all sorts of different manufacturers, and I was thinking about doing like a nice big sort of bring all the, you know, kind of Tamiya extra thin cement. Now we've got extra thin cement from Ammo. I think there's AK ones as well now, and sort of putting them all on test. We've got some ultra glue here, which I can't remember now, but I think that's like a, you know, a canopy glue. We've got some new pigments. Oh, what else we got here? Oh, I honestly have forgot what I've actually ordered. I think this is another type of, oh, it's an activator, and a CA glue activator. It'd be nice to sort of check that out as well. What have we got here? Oh, some Decklin solution, so we can try out some Decklin solution as well from Ammo. Oh, a spray bottle. I think that goes with the activator. But I think the rest is just a lot of sort of like, I think it's like splash effects from mud, pigments, you know, pretty much a lot of stuff you've already seen, but some of it's a little bit new, but absolutely loads to show you. So hopefully you're going to enjoy seeing that coming up in the future, and all the product reviews we're going to do. I'm actually going to start doing some right after videoing this, so hopefully you've enjoyed that. But until next time, as always, my name's Bob Waldron, this is Genesis Models, and I'll catch you later.